8 signs that you are a strong character that others cannot help but admire. Being strong can terrify others, but it can also inspire them. People will take notice of your passion, dedication, and energy. Here are some indicators that you are a strong person who motivates people and elevates the energy level in a room. 1. You speak clearly and convincingly. I completely agree that deeds speak louder than words. However, communication may take you a very long way in life and words still matter. Because of this, people who are truly strong are adept at making an influence and persuading others. You don't just talk pointlessly, you actually mean what you say. Powerful people also refrain from self-defeating conversational patterns like overusing the words I think, I guess, maybe, and 2. You are able to earn money. The capacity to create wealth is another quality of a powerful person. That doesn't necessarily imply that you're rich, but it does imply that you make an effort to maintain a steady income. The truth is that how we interact with money is crucial, and it's crucial to examine your financial thinking if you want to experience wealth. Financial stability can attract a lot of parasites that only want to take from you, but it can also pull a lot of pleasant and supporting colleagues. 3. You're confident, but not overconfident. Knowing the difference between confidence and overconfidence is one of the characteristics of a powerful individual, one that others can't help but appreciate. While walking tall and with pride, you avoid boasting and posturing. You care about what people think of you, but you never let it determine your worth. You are a self-assured, competent individual who hardly ever exaggerates one's skills. People will respect and trust you more as a result of this. 4. Your connections are mutual and satisfying. The fact that your interactions are satisfying and reciprocal is one of the top indicators that you are a powerful someone whom others cannot help but admire. While you share our frustrations and heartbreaks, you refuse to let them define who you are. When you're turned down, you don't seek after acceptance and you never feel eager for approval. 5. You take charge during a crisis. Ever had a crisis? What was your response? The two primary reactions are either fight or flight. It's not always that easy, of course, but a strong individual always takes command whether you're dealing with a natural disaster, a significant issue at work, or a combat or violent scenario. You don't wait for someone else to grab the reins or see what's popular when you're powerful. You take the necessary action. 6. You have a ruthless honesty with people. You also don't hesitate to express your opinions to others, which is a component of your honesty. Without a doubt, you are a skilled diplomat, but you are not a people pleaser. If your partner asks you how they look in a particular clothing or style, you can suggest another or comment on how hot they look. You don't hold back when giving counsel to a friend or doing an employee assessment in the role of their supervisor. The truth is more important to you than giving someone a false pleasure. 7. You're ruthlessly honest with yourself. Self-honesty is a component of a powerful person's radical honesty. You aren't afraid to be yourself, and you're not too concerned with being thought of as a good person. You are a person with all the benefits and disadvantages it involves. You work hard every day to achieve your best, but you fully accept when you don't succeed and don't try to cover up your mistakes. When others notice that, they genuinely admire it. 8. You take responsibility. One of the most crucial indicators that you are a strong individual that others cannot help but appreciate is that you accept responsibility. You don't run away or try to find an explanation for your behavior or a difficult circumstance. You take action and handle it. You're a real woman in a brat world. You're a true guy in a world full of boys. This is evident, and other people can't help but look on in amazement. As the above list indicates, those in positions of power who are truly admired by others are strong, courageous, and wise. If that describes you, thank you for being you. The world today needs more people like you. Well, that's all to it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.